Installing liner bags works the same for both 19-gallon high-capacity step-on containers. To install one bag, place a 30-gallon or larger trash liner into the container. Wrap the top of the bag around all of the liner lock notches, labeled A and B. Tuck any excess bag into the cinch hole at the back of the container to finish securing the liner. To install two bags, you will need two 13-gallon or two 20-gallon trash bags, depending on your preference. Starting at the back of the container, place the first bag inside, wrapping the top of the bag around the liner lock notches labeled A. Then, place the second bag into the container, wrapping the top of the bag around the liner lock notches labeled B. Your 19-gallon high-capacity step-on container is now ready to use. For further assistance, please reach out to Rubbermaid customer service.